9 years ago, I quit my full-time job because of him. And giving birth to him marks the start of me trying many ways to make money from home. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is May, and on this channel I aim to help online entrepreneurs grow their online business and create a massive online income. So if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. I'm officially 2 years into doing drop servicing and I totally love this business. But today I want to talk not just about drop servicing, I want to talk about all the ways that I use to make money from home. As you guys know, I'm a stay-at-home mom, and why I started this online entrepreneurship journey is because of my family and because of my kids. I want to achieve more time freedom for myself as well. So all these 9 years, I've tried many different ways to make money from home. That is the reason why I set up this channel, is because I want to share with you guys how I make money online and how you can grow your online income just like how I did. But I understand that not everyone is really into doing job servicing, so I want to share with you my thoughts on all the several types of online business that I've tried, all the ways that I've tried to make money online, which are my favorite ones and which are the ones that I have narrowed down and focusing right now. In summary, I have 5 favorite ones, and these 5 are the ones that I'm actively doing right now, and these 5 methods are the ones that is very related to my passion, and that is the reason why I want to choose and focus on these 5 methods. Finding your passion and turning it into a profitable business is very important because you like what you do, you love what you do. So if you want to learn how you too can turn passion to profit, I have a 2 hours workshop for you. It's totally free. It's a video. I will leave a link right here. So if you have not watched it, go ahead and watch it. It's on my YouTube channel. This tutorial teaches you step by step on how you can find your passion and turn it into a profitable online business. So this is something that I think a lot of us are lacking, especially from my experience. I know there are many different types of online businesses out there, but which one is suitable for you? Or how can you combine your interest, your passion into your business? This is super important because this will be something that you like to do, and it can be very sustainable for you because you have passion in doing that business. So now back to the different ways on how I make money from home. Throughout these 9 years, I tried many different kinds of methods to make money from home. Most of them are actually online businesses. This kind of lifestyle is most suitable for me because I need to balance between taking care of my family as well as finding online income. Most methods I use made me some money, but not all are very consistent. So some of them, when I first started, didn't have sales. Some actually made me very good income, but they are not really consistent. Now let me list down every single way I used to make money from home. So the very first one that I have tried was creating digital products. I created an ebook, it didn't sell, and then I go ahead and create magazine subscription. So it's an app, and this magazine subscription did make me some sales, but one thing that I didn't like to do was I had to keep on coming up with new magazine every single month. So I got really tired of creating magazines. The magazines that I have created was women's magazine as well as fitness magazine. So it was quite fun at first, but I ran out of idea on what to write and what kind of content to put on the magazine. So this is something that I did make money out of it, but it didn't give me much recurring income, so I stopped making the magazine. By the way, the magazine I was selling at about $1.99 US. So I did sell many subscriptions, but I need to have a lot of people to subscribe to me in order to make a substantial amount of money. Yeah, so that is the reason why I didn't continue. The second way I used to make money from home is to sell products online via the dropshipping method. This one see better success because I was selling furniture or selling household items, kitchen items, sometimes clothes, sometimes bags, and these are the ones that I feel every single mother or every single woman would want to try this out once in a lifetime. It's like a bucket list, right? So I've tried this and I feel that it's not bad. It's being an e-commerce owner. it's quite enjoyable because I love it when people like my products, even though they are not my products. But one thing is, my sales didn't grow that much, and I was drawing about $3,000 plus $5,000 per month, which was not bad, but I was more ambitious than that. I want something that could replace my real estate income. And one thing I don't like about this business was the customer service part really drained me out. I know that I can engage somebody else to do so, probably a virtual assistant, but I didn't do it at a time, and I found another business which I feel that I really want to be more involved in it, so that's why I didn't continue doing this dropshipping business. The third way I used to make money online is via social media sponsorship. So businesses and brands reach out to me for a collaboration. So what they will do is they want me to feature their products and do a video on it, so they will pay me for that. And because I have a YouTube channel, so brands will reach out to me and pay me to do the video for them. Another one will be on Instagram. So some brands actually reach out to me and ask me to post for their campaign. So this is one thing that I will get paid for as well. I don't get paid a lot, but this is something also I do enjoy. I'm quite selective in selecting the brand. If let's say the brand is really something that is related to me and is something that I'm using, I will definitely collaborate with them. This is something that I'm still currently doing. As long as it is related to my niche and related to my lifestyle, I will accept their proposal. And why I'm still doing this is because I can accept these kind of jobs whenever I'm free. If I'm really not free, then I will turn down the job offer. The fourth way that I use to make money from home is through affiliate sales. So I get referral fees or commission for recommending certain products or services. So this is about affiliate marketing. This is a very good way to get a passive income, because if you have a good following on your social media, you can definitely do affiliate marketing. It's a very lucrative business. I will only refer or recommend products or services which I'm using or I have used before and I like that brand. So it's the same with the previous way, which is the social media sponsorship. I will only recommend or I will only do a referral if, let's say, I've tried the products and I like the product. The fifth way I used to make money from home is through YouTube ad revenue. So I've set up this channel since 2019 and my channel was monetized 1 year later. My channel is not really big, but I do get some ad revenue on a regular basis, and in total up to date YouTube has paid me about several $1,000s, which is not a lot, but I would say that the income is very consistent. I receive payouts every single month consistently from YouTube, and what I use with this income is I throw it back into my other businesses as marketing expenses. So this YouTube ad revenue has helped me to provide me with a little bit of income for my marketing costs. When I first started YouTube, my main intention was to gain more income to supplement my dropshipping business. As I mentioned, my dropshipping business is giving me about $3,000, which is not really enough to support my family. So that's the reason why I started YouTube channel. So I thought that I would want to do more of a lifestyle video. So hopefully my channel blow up and I get more revenue from there. But as I grow my YouTube channel, I realized that it's not so easy being a YouTuber and being in a lifestyle niche. So my direction changed. Another reason why I want to start a YouTube channel is because I want to share my experiences about dropshipping. Many of my close friends actually came forward to ask me to teach them how to do dropshipping. So I was thinking of why not I just share it on YouTube so everyone benefit from it. And that led me to my sixth way on how I make money from home. So the sixth way is creating online courses. I realized that I struggled a lot during my dropshipping years. I didn't know where to find supplier. I didn't know how to perfect the whole business and how to scale up the whole business. And I struggled a lot on how to find products in demand. I went on to learn how to be a better online course creator, and I created my first dropshipping course, pricing it at a very affordable price so that more people like myself, moms or aspiring online entrepreneurs, can actually learn how to sell things online via the dropshipping method. I've learned so much doing dropshipping, and that is why I want to really share it out through online courses. And also through dropshipping, I also developed another skill, which is a drop servicing skill. Instead of dropshipping products, I now dropship service. Just now I mentioned that my income from doing dropshipping isn't a lot, so I pivoted to doing dropship services instead. So this one actually 10 times my income from home. Doing job servicing is very related to my passion as well, because I have a passion in video production. This whole idea of doing job servicing business was originated by dropshipping, and because of one challenge turned my life around. So this challenge is make 10,000 in 10 days, and because of this challenge, it pushes me to think out of the box, and I have created a new business which generated 5-figure income for me. I completed the 10K in 10 days challenge. I have a whole playlist on that from day 1 all the way to day 10. I will leave the playlist up here or down in the description box below. This is my second year as an online course creator, and because of regularly teaching online, some students actually came forward to me and request for a one-on-one coaching. And that is my 7th way on how I make money from home, which is through online coaching. And this coaching can be a group coaching as well as one-on-one coaching. Doing online coaching is also another newfound passion of mine, because I'm able to help aspiring entrepreneurs to be able to learn the right steps to build a profitable and sustainable online business from home. I feel that this online coaching is a more flexible business for me. For example, during busier months of the year, like right now in the month of October, this is the exam period for my kids, and that's when I would want to focus more on my family, so I will do lesser coaching. My 8th method on how I make money from home is through job servicing. So I do run a creative agency via this job servicing method. I mainly sell digital services like video services, video marketing, and design services. So this business model is very similar to doing dropshipping. I just need to market my business, and whenever I clinch a client, I will outsource the job to another freelancer, and that is what I call it a job servicing, because I job service the services to another freelancer. If you want to learn more about job servicing, I have a 2-hour masterclass for you. I will leave a link up here as well as down in the description box below. And lastly, my 9th way on how I make money from home is through freelancing. Right now, all my businesses are pretty stable, and I'm generating some passive income right now. So I do have more time on hand, and that's when I would want to focus more on doing something that I'm really passionate about, and that is filming. Because I'm running this digital agency which provide video services, a lot of times many businesses are requesting to do filming. This service is usually through word of mouth, so if they are friends and acquaintances that need my help in doing some simple filming, I'm happy to help. I do provide this filming for my own students, because my job servicing students, most of them are also setting up their digital service, and whenever they have inquiries about videography and filming, they will come and look for me, so I can actually provide them with that. From my experience, when I drop service this filming to another videographer, they charge really a lot, and that is when I started to think that I may be able to help my students in Singapore, whereby I can provide affordable filming services. I'm not a professional videographer, but I do upgrade my skills from time to time, and I practice videography on a very regular basis. After trying out so many ways to make money from home, I have finalized 5 favorite ones. These are the ones that I'm currently actively doing. The first one will be the YouTube ad revenue. This is something that I'm receiving continuously. The second one will be selling courses. The third one will be the online coaching. The fourth one will be the freelancing, which is the filming. And lastly will be the job servicing, which is my creative agency. So these are the 5 ones that I'm actively doing right now and receiving passive and active income at the same time. These are the 5 ones that I really enjoy doing, and that is why it is sustainable, and I can see myself doing these 5 methods of making money from home continuously and doing this in the long term. I hope this video has inspired you to try different ways to make money from home. I truly understand that every one of us has different passion and interests and different ways on making money online. Which are your favorite ones, or which are the ones that it's not mentioned in this video? Do let me know in the comment section below. I know there are tons of ways to make money from home. Do share with me in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.